Happy, but then may mga next few games pa. So unfortunately, ang format, one loss, you're out. So kailangan magandaan.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Anna, with 24 points. For you personally, how happy are you with how Zeus won this game against Capital?
I'm super happy. I mean, I think it just shows how we've been doing all season long. Is like everyone stepping up in different moments, and I think it's a full-on team effort. Like I could not do anything what I do without everyone out there. So it's just really exciting, and that's what's going to help us carry on in the semis and hopefully the finals.
Thank you. And for Claude, you had 17 excellent sets in this game. As team captain, gano'n ka lang din proud sa winner for now that you guys are heading into your first ever semifinals?
Super proud syempre kasi first time din naman talaga. And also, kita mo naman na lahat talaga gusto makapasok sa mga semis. So, yun lang, happy and proud ako sa progress na ito.
Thank you. For some
For Cheploan since last year na din. Ano lang yung masasabi mo sa naging growth ng team na ngayon first time nasa semifinals na ng team na binuod nyo since last year?
Mahirap talaga pag kulang yung pieces. So this year, nadagdagan talaga kami. And then, nasa first six nga yung dalawang rookies natin. So malaking tulong. And happy kami na din.
Same lang ni Coach Jerry, yung addition ni AC, ni Riza, ni Adilay, and also ni Ana. Sobrang laking bagay din talaga. And Ate Fiola. So, ayun, siguro mag-work. Maganda din to para sa amin, para mag-ready para sa next conference. So, ayun.
For Ana, when you joined the team, obviously it's still a young team on the rise. Did you ever see it from the start that you were that you'd be able to make a push in the playoffs as deep as it was planned?
I didn't hear that last part. Sorry, what was the last part?
Do you think that Zeus Coffee would make a playoff push as deep as it is?
Okay. Obviously, I tried to follow before I got here and kind of get a little background of how they've done in the past. And obviously, I knew they had some new pieces, some new players. So I really had no expectations. And I don't think we did either coming into this. So it's been really awesome just to kind of see how we're going to do it and see how great of a start we had and carrying that into the tournament.
And Coach, last year, the number one pick for high school, then ngayon, first time in this school. Mananaraw din nila po siguro to a few things kung bakit parang napabilis din siguro yung mga
Pag tama yung pieces, pag tama yung lapik mo, di syempre malaking tulong. So hindi yung buka lang ng buwan, di ba? Hindi mo magamit. So, mas mahirap yan. So swerte kami na nakuha namin yung mga kailangan namin ipuno sa roster. So we're very lucky.
How do you guys prepare mentally, especially these games or
Yeah, I think we can celebrate for a few more hours, then I think we have to change our focus to Thursday, and it's going to be tough no matter who the opponent is. So we just been taking it one game at a time this whole season, so we're going to do exactly that and not get ahead of ourselves and focus on what we can do whoever we play next.
Ako talaga, personally, sabi ko sa kanila, enjoy lang namin yung game and then sumunod lang kami sa system and then sa instruction ng coaches, lahat naman yung follow.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
Thank you.